BBM när jag dör Achan D-Baby blänna jag när tritt var bike Achan Josh Purna Anusha
To hand over to Rex Jacob Lama. Person, okay. Then Norton lecture. Kindly hand over to token of appreciation to Norton lecture. May I invite Jamyang Tamang and Pratik Rai. Now I invite DPO jailer Kumar Subba to hand over the token of appreciation to Jamyang. Could you put your hands together, please? Now we have got Kesangla Sherpa and Rigel Bhutia. Kesangla and Rigel, please to hand over to Kesangla Sherpa. May I invite our Bosconian Rakesh Sharma to hand over token of appreciation to Rigel Bhutia. Now we have got Raghav Chetri and Muisa Limbu. Now Jovial Lepcha and Ingsa Limbu. Jovial and Ingsa. Token of appreciation to Muisa Limbu. Raghav. Now Joint Secretary IT Ms. Jansila Rai will hand over token of appreciation to Jovial Lepcha. Once again, I call upon Purna Kumar Rai, Vice President, to hand over token of appreciation to Ingsa Limbu. May I invite our coaches Sir Ajay and Bhupen sir, please come onto that stage. Nauraj sir to hand over the token of appreciation to our Ajay sir. Vice President Mr. KB Subba will hand over the token of appreciation to our Bhupen sir. Now, the last, there is a token of appreciation for our school. So on behalf of Don Bosco School Malbasi, Father Rector and Principal Father Florence will receive from the Soaring District Olympic Association President Mr. Lobsang Tamang. Please could you put your hands together? Of Don Bosco School Malbasi, with a grateful heart, we thank all these great people, one who came today and presented the token of appreciations, encouragement, inspiration for all of us. Kindly, could you put your hands together for each and every one of them? Thank you, dear sirs. Now, may I invite Rakesh Sharma to share a few words with us.
First of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving me an opportunity to speak in front of such wonderful people out here. See, when I stand here and speak something, I feel sometimes emotional out here because this is the same dais, same place where I have stood for nearly 14 years out here. So I feel emotional. I feel nostalgic when I entered this place this morning. Thank you. First of all, thank you, Athletic Association, for inviting me to this place also. Olympic Association, and it's a wonderful thing that young people have gone out there and have achieved this feat. I think it's moreover, it's a very good thing, and it does not depend only on the environment, the teachers, the coach, but also depends on the individual, the willpower, their commitment apart from studies. I think this is the most important thing that we as student today have to inculcate in our daily life. So first of all, congratulations to all dear students, principal, all the staff, all the coaching staff, all the behind curtains, those who have worked tirelessly for their achievement, and all dear students. I think this is the important. This is a very good feat that your counterpart have achieved, and everyone can achieve in their own field. So this may be taken as one of the inspiration. Thank you very much.
For sharing us your experience. Now, at last, on behalf of everyone, we must, with a grateful heart, we must not forget the contribution by our Father Rector and Principal Father Florence, who always says, we want to make this institution, Don Bosco Mamblasi, a sports hub. I think we have already reached a few steps ahead to reach the destination and beyond. So thank you, dear Father, for your constant support, encouragement, and guidance. Once again, could you put your hands together, please? Students who participated recently, the athletics meets conducted at Gangtok, and won gold, silver, and bronze. May I invite Jamyang Taman, under 14 gold medalist. Please could your the state level gold medalist please to the Adarsh Guru, bronze medal, under 16 long jump, gold medalist. Lahan, you are here, gold medalist. You got gold and silver both. Under 16, yes. 60 meters run gold medalist, and javelin throw silver medal. He won 2 medals. Please put your hands together. Come over here, Agnes, please. So she received 2 medals, silver and bronze, in 60 meters and high jump. 600 meter bronze medal. Kunjang Lode. So under 16, 600 meters. Thousand meters spin relay, he won gold medal. Under 16. Bronze medal. Relay under 18 bronze medal.
On behalf of DVM family, I'm really very happy to have with us Soreng District Olympic Association. I was not expecting, I didn't expect anything yesterday. Samir Sari came that they would like to come and felicitate. And it was a really pride moment for each one of us. I think this is the first time that is taking place, that the Olympic Association is coming and felicitating. That means, let us give them a big hand. Our Soreng district can go very far. Though it is very small, but with our efforts, with our talents, we can reach very far. So on behalf of DVM family, all our teaching, our support staff, all the students, parents and benefactors, I would like to thank you wholeheartedly for your cooperation and collaboration, always the support that you give, the respect that you have got, the trust you have got. So always we thank you. We are always available. Whatever we can do in our small way, we are going to help and contribute for the Soreng Sports Association and Olympic Association. Be assured of our support. Thank you and may God bless you.
आमाको आशीर्वाद गुरुजनको कृपा अनि साथीहरूको प्रेम तिम्रो पाइलाहरू सधैँ सम्झनाका तापन्नाहरूमा कोरिने छन्
आजा दबमा नया दौर
DBM नया दौर अशन
DBM नए
DBM नया दौर अशन
DBM नए
DBM नया दौर अशन DBM ले नया नेतृत्व पाएका क्षण जोशपूर्ण अनुषा शीतानी साथै ममता माया नेतृत्वले DBM लाई नया आकार दिने छन्
DBM नया दौर DBM नया दौर DBM नया दौर DBM